Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're with me, your friendly neighborhood millionaire with Z Source Forex. So, on today's topic, we're going to talk about how do we profit in Forex? How do we make money? How do we make those dollars? So, it's a continuation from last time's topic on what is Forex. I'm going to be dropping in between videos like this for those that are new to Forex trading, but all in all, I have a full course that is going at $25 only. Yes, you heard me right, $25 only. You get a full course and mentorship from personally I, Mr. Friendly Neighborhood Millionaire, so that you can learn more. So on today's topic, we will talk about how do we make money in Forex. So if you remember last time what I said, right? There are two types of people in the markets. Firstly, there are buyers who wish to see the market go to the upside. Pardon my writing, I'm using a mouse, but that's supposed to be an arrow. Then we have our sellers, which hope or wish for the market to go to the downside. Okay, so basically these buyers and sellers are comprised of the big banks, the hedge funds, as I explained last time. Okay, so as the market is going up, as retail traders, you can either be a buyer or a seller depending on the direction of the market, okay, and your confluences. Us as retail traders, we take advantage of these tiny moves in order for us to profit as well as the market is going up. Okay, if you have noticed that the market is going to the downside, as a retail trader, we sell in hopes that the market gives us some dollars. Okay, so but how, in simpler terms, how can we explain this? Let's say you're selling apples, right? You're selling apples at 2 kwacha. We'll use dollars because it's universal. I don't want to use a local currency because it might be confusing to some. So let's just use $2. You're buying an apple at $2. So if you want to profit, you order 5 apples at $2. 5 times 2, that's 10, right? And you want to make profit out of this, then you sell your apples at $2 extra, which making it $4. So the apples that you got at 10, 5, they'll give you an extra 10 when you sell all of, when you buy all of, when you sell all of them later on. Because why? You have increased the value of that apple. Okay, it's the same way with currencies. As you know, currencies are paired in two. There's the pound, which is represented by GBP, just an example, versus the US dollar. Like here on top here, if you've seen at the corner here, there are two currencies, the pound and the dollar. So what these numbers here represent is that when price is here at this level here, it represents that 1 pound will give you 1.36200 pounds. Okay, so $1 will give you 1 pound will give you $1.36200. Okay, that's comparing the two. So how we profit is that if 1 pound increases in value, we make more money. If it loses in value, we sell, we make money. If it increases in value, we buy, we make more money. That's how it is. So let's just dive into the charts. Let's see, where are they? There they are. Okay, so let's just go to current price. Exactly, this is a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so there are what we call 3 confluences of trading. You just don't enter anyhow in the market just because you've seen prices going up, then you say, no, let me buy right now. No, you don't do that. So there are 3 confluences that we follow. Okay, the first confluence number 1, we go for direction. What direction is the market going in? The second one is the candlesticks. No. The second one is levels. What levels is the market creating? The third one is candlesticks. Okay, what type of candlesticks are being printed at that zone? Oh, by the way, these are candlesticks, right? These ones, the gray ones and the blue ones. There are different types of candlesticks colors. Really, you can customize them according to your own liking, but for me, the blue ones represents buyers, represents upward direction. Okay, when you see a blue candle, that means the market is pushing up. When you see a gray candle, for me, that means there are more sellers in the market. Okay, that's simpler terms on how I can say it. Okay, so these are the 3 confluences that you have to look for. What is the direction of the market? The market is going up. What levels is the market creating? The levels we're talking about are these levels here, such levels where the market price reached there, bounced. Price reached there, bounced, price broke through this level, came back to retest it to go to continue to the upside. Okay, what candlesticks are being printed at such levels? All those are things you need to consider before taking a trade. So there are more details in my course on how all this is done and my mentorship program. Okay, which is only going at $25, guys. $25. The reason why I put it at a very cheap price, because I understand most of us, when starting out in forex trading, we don't have a lot of money. And I remember the time I was starting out, I didn't have a lot of money, and most of the courses that people were selling were very expensive. That's why my course is cheap, and I want to help you guys too, so that we can all make money. I want to help everyone make money, because what's the point of me making money alone? I have the secret sauce to making money. So yeah, anyway, that's all I can say for now. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let's interact, guys. Otherwise, it's your friendly neighborhood millionaire. Remember, a pip a day keeps poverty away. Let's learn this forex. Forex is the future. Peace.